Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's recipe is very requested and it is also very delicious. It is not very sweet and it's just right for you to cover your cakes and cupcakes. I'm really happy to come here with this video. This video doesn't have one but two recipes of buttercream with a little bit twist, so it doesn't become too sweet for your taste palates and your clients can enjoy it. You can also make it at home for your friends and family and loved ones. So let's just start with the video and see how we make it. So guys, this is the first recipe. We are going to use condensed milk for this recipe. As I said, I'm giving a twist to American buttercream and it's a very delicious recipe. It is not at all sweet and it's very yummy. Also, as always, all the measurements will be given in the description box below. Today I've taken Amul butter, which is the salted butter. You can also see how yellow this is. So we're going to beat it till it becomes pale yellow or a little off-whitish in color. Now the reason I use salted butter for all my buttercream recipes is because it makes or it helps in the sweetness to be a little less and it cuts off that very sweet flavor of American buttercream. So this recipe you'll not face that issue of it being too sweet. You'll in fact enjoy this recipe because it's very buttery and delicious. As you can see, this is also stiffened up a little and it's become pale yellow. Now we're going to go ahead and add the condensed milk. You can see how fluffy this has already become. And now we're going to go ahead and add the icing sugar. Remember, icing sugar ko chhana bahut zaruri. It is very important to sieve the icing sugar. I've already sieved the icing sugar and kept, so I'm not doing it right now. But it is extremely important. Otherwise, आपको बहुत lumps आएंगे icing में and you don't want that. You can add or lessen your icing sugar according to your taste preference. अगर आपको ज़्यादा मीठा चाहिए तो you can add a little more of it. You can see it is super smooth and super delicious. Of course, you can't see that, but you have to make this and taste it and tell me if you liked it or not. Now we're going to make the second recipe. Then we'll take these through the tests that we've planned for them and see how they turn out to be. So this is our second recipe. This is with the best, which is cream cheese, and this is also going to taste a little sour, but again, this is much better than the sweet American buttercream because that is extremely sweet. The 2:1 ratio वाला जो regular American buttercream होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा मीठा होता है. This is again another very nice twist to American buttercream. You can taste this, also make it at home, and I'm sure you'll enjoy this. Now first one I forgot to add the flavoring, which was vanilla essence. I kept it aside and I forgot to add it. We are going to add it to the second one. I'm going to show you again the same thing. You have to whisk it, make it pale in yellow. Again, I've taken salted butter, like I said, Amul ka salted butter. I'm again going to make it pale, and then we're going to add the vanilla essence to it. So first वाले को भी जब आप beat करोगे, जब pale हो जाएगा, उसके बाद उसमें आप vanilla essence डालोगे. The second step is adding vanilla essence. Then go ahead and add the cream cheese. Softened cream cheese is what you want. Even for the butter, when you use the butter for the buttercream recipes, it should not be completely melted. It is supposed to be little hard. If it is quite melted in the room temperature, गर्मियों में जब आप बाहर भी रखते हो तो काफ़ी melted होता है, तो उसको थोड़ी देर फ्रिज में रख के से around few minutes के लिए and then remove it and beat it. Cream cheese के साथ भी आप consistency उसकी soft रखोगे, but not of course बहुत melted नहीं and बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी भी नहीं. Once you can see this is nice and ready and fluffy, go ahead and slowly add the icing sugar. Again, this is sieved and kept. Do not forget that step. Scrape off the sides. Bring it to the center to the whisk. Again, mix it. You can see how nicely firm this recipe is too. So both our buttercream recipes are ready. Now we're going to put them through some tests and see how they work out. So before we start with the tests, I wanted to show you all the vast difference, which I don't think camera is catching right now, but this is the condensed milk wala buttercream and this is the cream cheese one, and you can see the vast difference in color. This, I don't know if camera is catching, like I said again, but this is more yellowish. Because of condensed milk also the color is so dark. This is whiter in color, so maybe if you want to use white buttercream somewhere, you can use this one, and maybe you can add a very tiny amount of purple and make it a little more whitish. So that is another tip if you want to make a white buttercream. Now we're going to start with the test and see how they work. So guys, the blue one we'll be using the condensed milk wala buttercream and the green one will be for cream cheese. And there's one more difference, that the condensed milk has little more gloss to it. And now we'll see how it pipes. That's beautiful. And you can also see it's not at all grainy. So you can definitely try out this recipe and see for yourself how beautiful it is. Now let's try for the other one, which is the cream cheese frosting. You can see this is whiter in color and this is little more yellowish. It has little more yellowish tinge. Even this is smooth and it doesn't have too much grainy effect like how usually American buttercream is. Air bubble there. So I really think that you all should try both the recipes and see for yourself how beautiful and how delicious they are. So guys, this is the American buttercream that we usually make, which is the 2:1 ratio. I usually take, if I'm taking 100 grams butter, I take around 200 to 250 grams of icing sugar, and then I add either milk or water to adjust the consistency. This is that, and this is very sweet usually, and of course this is very sweet because of icing sugar. This is the buttercream we made with condensed milk, and this is the buttercream we made with cream cheese. So I'm going to show you the difference between the graininess of these three. So you can first see the texture of this. This is very grainy. Okay, you can see there are a lot of bubbles also. Alright, can you see the graininess? Because of the light probably it's not seen much, but it is pretty grainy because of the icing sugar. Now we'll see this. You can see the smoothness of this and the glossiness. I'm very proud of this recipe because it's very delicious, and of course the texture is amazing. And then comes this one. Even though the texture of this is similar to the ABC, the OG ABC, but of course the flavor and the deliciousness is way ahead of the original ABC. Now one more thing between these two, the differences. So again I'm going to mention, this is the condensed milk buttercream, this is the cream cheese buttercream. This forms a very thin layer of skin if you keep it openly in the room, and this doesn't form any skin because this doesn't have too much of icing sugar. Okay, so you can also try it and understand the difference between these two, and do everything what I'm doing in the video at home to understand why I'm doing it, so you also understand how to work with them very easily. Now I have some colors here which I need to make the cake that I'm making for IG. I'm probably going to use purple to color these two. Now I'm taking this purple color, it's a gel color, and I'm just going to add 1 drop in both. Quickly folding it in. I want it to be even darker, so I'll probably add a few more drops. If I let it rest for a while, it may darken the color, as you know, develops a little more over the time. See, it's become a nice vibrant purple now. This has come out to be nice vibrant lavender. Now the difference between these two, जब मैंने उसमें 1 drop ऐड किया था और इसमें 1 drop ऐड किया, उसमें it was little dull because like I said, it has an undertone of yellowish tinge. That's why it was a little dull. But you can see ये white color cream बनती है. This buttercream turns out to be more whiter. That's why you can see the 1 drop that we added turned out to be so nice and beautiful and vibrant. So because of the color difference between the main product, which is the buttercream, you also see a difference between the end product, which is after adding the color. So guys, now for the transfer test. This was in the freezer for quite a while. You can see this one is the one which is made with condensed milk. You can transfer this as well, but it starts melting as soon as it touches your hands because of your hands heat, but it's definitely transferable. And even this is transferable. This is the one that we made with cream cheese, sorry. Alright, now you can see piping में इतना मज़ा नहीं आया मुझे इस फ्लावर में, but of course थोड़ा आप उसको फ्रिज में रख के you can work around it with it. ठीक है, as you can see, the end result is in front of you. You can use this easily for transferring your toppers as well, like the buttercream toppers. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you all did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell button and also share it with your friends and family. And I shall see you all really soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.